Hello everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can set up in-feed ads in your Blogger website. And here, as you can see, this is a in-feed ad and it will show the ad between the blog post. So let me just open a category page from here. And here, as you can see, there is a ad slot in this place and there is a ad slot in this space. So in this way you can add in-feed ads to your Blogger website. And in the last video we have set up the AdSense in this website, and if you haven't set up your AdSense, then I recommend you to watch this video. And let's start the video. So to set up the in-feed ads, let me just show you how to set up this in Freebify theme. So to set up this, go to your layout and here scroll down and click on the main blog post section. Now scroll down and you will see an option called show ads between posts. Now you can set up the ad size. So here I will select the responsive one, or you can also set a custom ad size. So I will click the responsive and click on save. Now open a category page from here. Now the ad will show in between the blog post, so it will take some time to show the ads. So let's wait. So before that, let me just show you how to set up in-feed ads in your Bedian UI theme or Flattro Pro theme that you are using in your Blogger website. So to do this, go to your Blogger dashboard and here go to theme section, and before that make sure to take a backup of your theme. Now click on edit HTML. Now here click on a blank area and type Ctrl+F. Now search for in-feed and hit enter. Now you will see an option called in-feed ads. Now you have to add the publisher ID here, and here you have to change the ad slot code. So let me just show you. So go to the home page of your AdSense dashboard and here click on add. Now click on by ad unit, and here you can select display ad or in-feed ads that you want to show in between blog posts. So let me just select the in-feed ads. Now click on this button. Now click on get started. Now you can also type the URL of your blog post. So let me just type a URL, like copy this URL. Now paste it here. Now click on scan the page. So it will take some time to scan the page and show you the best matching in-feed ads for your website. So let's wait. So as you can see, it will suggest a ad slot like this. So let me just click on next, and here you can select the font according to your theme. Here you can set the background color, but I will leave this as white, and you can also set a text wrap so that it will shrink the text, but I will close this. Now here you can control the different section, like if you want to align the image from left or right. So I will select the left aligned, or it will automatically take the best suitable settings for you by analyzing the URL, or you can manually tweak this. Like you can change the font style, or you can set a long description or a short description, but I prefer to leave it short. Now you can change the description, or you can also hide the description from here. Here I will leave the description on. Now close this. Now click on save and get code. So let me just add a ad unit name like in-feed and click on save and get code. Now you will see a code like this. Now copy the code snippet and go to your Blogger template and here replace the ad code. So it will show a in-feed ad to your blog post. You can also add top article ad and bottom article ad to your Bedian UI theme. Just replace the publisher ID and the ad slot code in this position. Just search for top article ad or search for in-feed ad and you will see this option. I hope you got the idea how you can implement in-feed ads in your Blogger website. Then if you are using Bedian UI theme, then you can edit it in your edit HTML section. And if you are using Freebify theme, then you don't need to change anything. Just go to the blog post section and scroll down and turn on the ads between posts, and it will show the ad in between the blog post. And here you can change the number of posts between ads. So here you can select 4 then it will show ads after every 4 blog posts. So in this way you can add in-feed ad in your blog or website. And if this video helped, then hit the like button, and if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section, or you can ask in our Telegram group, and the link will be given in the description. And if you want to watch more AdSense related tutorial, then I recommend you to watch this AdSense tutorial playlist, and the link will be given in the description. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.